Hello again, it's Rusty with Masters Lawn Care with another quick tip on Gainesville lawn. While on my morning jog today, I happened to notice some spots in the lawn where this area was scalped by a mower. It was cut way too low, and it's a very common problem that we see around Gainesville. I just want to talk about it real quick and the effects that it has on your lawn. Lush turf, but as we come over here, we have an extreme case of scalping. Now this is a pretty obvious case. I would hope that if you saw this, you would know something's wrong. You can see the freshly cut clippings here, still a little bit green from the company that was here mowing, and you can obviously tell this was scalped all the way down inside of the stolons, very little green left, and how that would damage the lawn would be pretty bad. We also have some spots over here a little less bad, but still damaging. So this isn't down into the stolons. There's still about an inch between the soil and the actual grass where the cutting was, but still way too low, and you can see that it's damaged the lawn as well. Scalped lawn is not the end of the world. As you can see here, this is an area that was probably scalped a week ago. It is recovering. It's got some rejuvenation. It's got some green coming back into the turf. We even have some runners coming in, some new runners rolling in there to try and fill that space. But here's what happens if the problem continues to happen for a long period of time. We'll have weeds come in. So 90% of weed problems come from some type of issue in the lawn that's a cultural practice, whether it's mowing too low, watering too much, not watering enough. Most problems occur not because of lack of insecticides or herbicides, although those are important to protect your lawn from stress. Most problems come from a cultural practice. So here we have Bermuda creeping in. You can see kind of the bluish tinge versus the green tinge of grass, and this is a invasive turf grass weed that's coming in and taking over this area of the lawn. Not your typical scalping. This is extreme damage. However, on a video it's really hard to show minor scalping, because honestly when it's first cut the grass looks the same. You don't notice the problem until a couple weeks later, when you notice you've got weeds in a certain area of your yard or you've got the grass dying out. Specifically St. Augustine, which is our most common grass in Gainesville, it hates to be cut too low. Now we're in winter. We're right now here in the early part of December when I'm filming this video, and it's common for this time of year for people to want to cut a little bit lower. The grass isn't growing. They still want that crisp appearance. They still have to mow it because maybe they have some weeds in their lawn or some other types of grass that are growing a little bit, or during those warm spells we have some grass growth. But we want to mow high just like we do in summer. We want to mow that 4.5 inches. Correctly cut grass. This is slightly scalped grass. Now again, you probably can't see the difference. The goal is not to tell you not to do this to your lawn. I hope that we all know better than that. I trust that is not the issue with your lawn. However, it is the most common problem we see is scalping of the lawn. It's cutting it too low. Whether it's other contractors, whether it's sometimes our own teams and we have to provide coaching, or whether it's the homeowner doing their own mowing. So I hope this helps you out. I appreciate you watching the video. If there's anything the Masters Lawn Care can do to help you with your lawn, give us a call, and have a great day.